Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add price to variable products in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these steps. So first, you will need to go to your admin panel in WordPress so we can start adding the configuration or to set up our variable products. After that, we will be needing to start creating attributes for our to be able to attribute them to uh, the variable products. And basically, we will need just to go to the products here and click on attributes. And basically, we will be able to start creating our attributes that would allow us to create variation for our products. And let's suppose I have a t-shirt that has sizes and it will have the L, M, S, XL, and all these other terms that I am having here in my size attributes. And after that, I will need just to go to all the products. So I just find my list of products and I will be going to this product that I have just created as an example. And then I will need just to give it an attribute. And basically, I will just assign the attributes. And as you can see, I have only the three that I have in my attributes page. And you can give it also the two values that you would like. You can give it all the values, etc. I'm just going to click on save attributes, and then you need to start creating variation. And basically, by clicking or creating variation, you will be able to add the sizes that you would like to include or to have a variation for your t-shirt or product. And I'm just going to add the XS, and now and only now that you will be able to give it price. So as you can see, you can have a price for your variation. And I'm just going to have this one as 123, and then I can go to the L1 and it will have a different price and it will be something like that, and you will need just to click on save, and by that you will have a variable products, and basically now we can have our product there, and that's it. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.